doing? We're going to find the value of the expression a plus b when we have 2x plus 1 all squared equals 3, and its solutions are in the form of x equals a plus or minus b square root of 3. So basically what we're going to do is use the quadratic formula, and then when we get our solution, we're going to set these equal and find our a and b. Let's look at this part here. This is a perfect square trinomial. So when you're just writing this down twice like this and foiling it out, or just use the formula a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to give you 4x squared, that's your a squared, plus 2ab, so that's going to be 2 times 2x, so that's 4x. And then b is 1, so plus 1. And subtract the 3, set it to 0. So basically, this is going to be 4x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. In this form, we have a equals, well, what we can do basically, let's go ahead and first divide everything by 2. We divide everything by 2. That gives us 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. Doing that saves us time from simplifying a little later on. So basically we get a equals 2, b equals 2, and c equals negative 1. And we're going to use this quadratic formula here. This one is for when a is 1. So let's look at that. We're going to get x equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4ac, all divided by 2 times 2, which is 4. All right, let's see what this is going to be. We're going to get x equals, this right here, you divide these two, you get negative 1/2. All right, so now let's just deal with this part. This is going to be square root of 4 plus 8, and that's 12 divided by 4. Now, the square root of 12 can be written as 4 times 3, which is 2 square root of 3. So basically, we're going to get x equals negative 1/2 plus or minus 2 square root of 3 divided by 4. This can change to 1/2. So I'm going to write this again, and I'm going to move this, make that a 2. So basically we're going to have x equals negative 1/2 plus or minus square root of 3 divided by 2. Now what we're going to do is set this equal to this so we can find a and b and then add them together. So we have negative 1/2 plus or minus square root of 3 divided by 2 equals a plus b plus or minus b square root of 3. All right, so basically my a equals negative 1/2. These two match up. And my b is going to equal, and you're just looking at this piece because they're already both plus and minus. So just look at this. So b is just going to be 1/2. Now we're going to do a plus b, and that's going to be negative 1/2 plus 1/2, and that equals 0. And that is your value. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.